and you're listening to the Rollercasters, hosted by
Bhargavi Kamchali.
Janani Jain and
Tansi Gungana, and welcome to our brand new interesting podcast.
we three are great friends and we are a random group of weirdos with weird lives.
We talk about random topics from fun, weird, and barely discussed topics.
For us, the Rollercaster is a platform to express our talent, skills, and emotions, I guess.
Welcome to the fun.
We publish new episodes every Friday and do subscribe to us. You have to listen to more podcasts. And for now, bye.
Toodles!
Bye.
You don't change your brain, you change your ideas very quickly. She's the most procrastinated person in the entire world. Let me say that.
Right.
She changes everything.
So I'm going to be generating another word now because we are done with the word mask.
I hope something really deep, like the world's
Something we can actually
biggest
talk about.
secret.
No, it could be something fun also. So I'm just gonna generate it. Let's see what we get. Oh my god, I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm expecting a word like sit.
What? Did my phone just?
What the? Oh, you have to restart it again.
No, I don't have to restart it again.
No,
I think my phone just decided to.
hang.
No,
Just die because it's front of you.
at some point.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got the word quality.
Oh, I don't know what's
Quality ice creams.
So if you guys don't know, quality ice cream is actually this
There
this
Company ice
Yeah.
cream. It's an ice cream brand.
and
yeah, quality ice cream.
quality, electronics and like MacBook Airs and MacBook Pros and stuff like that.
He's referring to quality as in quality, but then now we come to a deeper meaning of quality, everyone. A deeper and a better meaning of quality.
Question: what's the opposite of quality?
I don't know.
I'll keep it to the end of the podcast. I'll tell the answer before closing the podcast. I mean, not closing the podcast, closing the episode.
Sure. Also, now getting into a deeper meaning of quality. Quality can be, I don't know, personality at some point. I mean, some people say, what are the
The
qualities?
quality of your personality.
Yeah, what are the qualities you're
Quality.
looking for and things like that. So,
quality sofas and
yeah, we're referring to the human
Audience.
time and not only things, we're giving respect to the
that's
human
the
mind.
plant that is that broken.
Yeah, a plant broke apparently. So, whatever.
It's irritating, Tansy. I can see it here.
No, but like completely off topic. That's a completely off topic.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's get back.
Not off topic, I'm having fun here.
Sure.
Okay, continue.
Yeah.
Sure. No, seriously, sure.
Okay, continue. Quality,
Yeah.
no?
So moving on, we have quality.
I have a sentence of quality. Can I say that?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Aryan's quality of irritating Tansy is the best.
You're very
Not
annoying.
bad, But you're not helping.
Seriously, Aryan is irritating here so much. Tansy.
This is not helping. Anyways, it's a normal thing that happens everywhere, every second, every house, every time,
Every minute.
every minute, as you guys can see. But anyways, moving on to the topic, we have the word quality. So quality can be characteristics, and okay. So the thing is, personality. Okay, so let's just kind of like change the word here to personality because quality and personality almost mean the same. Like quality and
Yeah, it's characteristic
yeah,
of character.
yeah. So now we can literally switch to a whole point of like people judging you just through your outer looks, appearance, or whatever, which is horrible. Trust me, guys, it is not cool. Okay. Also,
Yeah.
I think it should be made illegal. You know, it should.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I am singing Tansy more. She's
I mean, he starts beatboxing. Like, I'm not here for beatboxing, man.
well, he's beatboxing well. No, let him show his talent to the world.
Sure.
Coming back to quality, Tansy, speak. I have nothing to speak about quality.
Yeah, characteristics. So if you really want to make a good impression on someone, then maybe you should focus more on your characters than your appearance. I don't know why people say, okay, see, at some point you can agree to the fact that presentation matters or appearance matters or whatever. But I mean, how long is that going to last? A few months, a few years? But like if you're going for a lifetime thing, if you want a lifetime guarantee, warranty / etc., you go for its features. I mean, you have phones which look completely different, and one is more uglier than the other, shorter, or I mean, like, you know, like smaller and thicker and whatever. But if that phone has better features than the phone that apparently looks very attractive and has nothing but nothing.
Yes, it's a waste. It's having completely waste. There's no point of having that.
What would you choose? No, I mean, like,
Don't choose the ugly appearance, but better application.
and features.
Yeah. Like Spider-Man has like a different quality suit, like a different color, and
So that was like a
Very nice, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
He
Sure.
described quality way better than you, Taxi. I love Spider-Man. He described
I
it
have
really well.
Spider-Man too.
Look how he connected it with superheroes. Really
Right.
nice.
Right, exactly.
Okay, continue your quality speech.
Moving on. So, quality. Come on, Bhargavi, speak from me.
You said quality at least 100 times by now.
But the word is
Quality. Like, the word is quality, but then you can say it once and then you can put a pronoun and coming back to English. Okay, fine, forget it. Quality. Person's quality on everything like matters a lot. The quality of your behavior, the quality of your work, the quality of everything, whatever you do, people judge everything based on the quality. If the quality is good, including your character, they accept you. But if it's bad, they won't. But there are some dumb people on the world that does not accept the quality the way it is and looks for other quality items for cheaper or something like that. So this you don't have to impress them. Stay how you are. Your quality is really good. But if you know that you are a bit bad, deep inside you know that you're having a guilt that says like you are bad, whatever you're doing is bad, then you have to change. You don't have to say that my quality is good and then you don't have to say the same. Change, it's fine. It's good if you change when you're bad.
Change for the good, exactly.
Yeah.
Now,
And fill your heart with lots of love.
exactly.
Everything. Don't fill it with hatred. I'm saying it because the world is so much of hatred. That's the most important value now, love, which most of them forgot.
So, you know how like people tend to get attracted by just the characters and appearance? Well, I think your past also matters.
It's just the appearance that people get attracted to.
Sometimes you judge a person by what they do at a very sudden, because when they do what I mean, like, you know what I mean, like, see, if you're talking to a person and you're talking to someone, okay, and then like you just told something that apparently you don't know insults them or humiliates them or has something to do with a traumatic past or whatever, and then that person just goes off mood and sort of kind of, I mean, you know, just raises his voice, does not mean the person is a bad person. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah, it's just you have to understand that person. It doesn't mean that just because he seems rude, it doesn't mean that he is rude. Just because he screams, it doesn't mean that he is angry. He might just have a
He
bad
has a
day.
quality of life. He has a quality
Yeah.
of morals, ethics, whatever. He has a quality of
But
past.
sometimes we burst out. We can't handle what we have been holding our entire lives. So
Yeah,
we just
exactly.
burst out, express it out, and there's nothing wrong in that. You have to say it in your point of view, in their point of view. You have to stay silent, let them scream off. You have to stay calm.
You have to
stay
be-
more calm
Huh?
and just listen and listen to just listen, not to
honestly
reply.
will
That's very
Yeah, so I
important word. So
did you delete the word? So I think this we're only gonna be doing 2 words.
Even
But yeah, you wanna say something?
even like
Quality.
quality places that you go like park.
Oh yeah, that's a very good thing you have brought up. Like quality places, maybe he's referring to vibes. Good vibes. Yeah. So if you are suffering, I wouldn't say suffering. Let's just make it sound less rude. If you're going through something, or if you're very hard apparently, or if you have met someone who apparently has a very bad quality of past, or has a little bit of
Just a bad nightmare that he has been carrying for a very long time from his
or if
past.
you notice off quality in anyone, because no one really wishes to be bad. So I was at this this is sort of off topic, but I was at this I don't know I was at this place, and he's a very famous, not a saint, not a priest, he's a scholar, and he told that every criminal was once a victim, or every criminal is a victim, and which sounded pretty good, because not everyone wants to just kill a person. They have a past. You try to understand it, you try to prevent it and help them, so you improve the quality of life. So Bhargavi, do you have anything to say? Because I just have this
Yes, I have.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. First off, whatever happens for good. At this 2021, 2020, everybody just looked on the bad side of things. They forgot the good, they forgot the God, they forgot everything that seemed good, and they just turned their entire soul, body, everything into the bad side of the earth and decided that is their world, which is not right, because everyone listening to this either should be depressed, stressed, of work, school, or
whatever,
family, or
something.
just
No matter
anything.
how hard you are trying to
Overcome your stress, how much ever hard you're trying to go through the situation, it's fine. You get stressed. It's like natural. It's nature.
It is
But
very
remember,
natural. At some
very
point, you
natural.
cannot accept it. You honestly, at some point, you don't know that you are stressed, but everything just comes out one day. Somewhere something happens, and something happens, and it comes out.
If you really want to really overcome that thing, remember that there is someone right above you, right by your side, and right behind you, known as God. He will catch you when you fall. He will catch you even when you're standing. Just stay, believe him, and let the day go however it is. Like good or bad, let it go. You watch on the gooder side only. If something bad happens, go for the gooder side, look for the gooder side, and then let it go. The day passed. Next day will come, look for new opportunities. So this God, remember that, okay? I'm really, really loving the God that I love. So on behalf of him, that I trust him a lot, just keep a trust in him. Whatever will happen, and it's for your good. You just have to see the positive side. And if you feel really stressed out and you don't even want to talk about it, don't interrupt, Nancy.
Just one sentence. God.
Okay, fine, stay.
Tough times make you tougher.
Yeah, legendary quote, Nancy. Claps. Okay.
Actually, sorry, somewhere else. Anyways.
And if you don't want to tell out your stress to anyone, trust me, talk to him. Even though he's not there, but you can't see him or anything, talk to him. you like invisible. He will hear it. I do that every day. I talk to him like that. You call me mental and stupid. It really works out. It removes your stress. You don't have to plan anything. You just feel so happy at the end of the day. So talk it out to him. If you're a Christian, go to the church, go to the mosque, or you go to the temple. You do anything. And even if you don't want to go over there, it's a long way to that path, like to the temple, mosque, or church. Stay at your home. Randomly just talk as if you're talking to someone right beside you. I do that. I talk to everything beside me. I talk to myself. I talk to the trees. I talk to the wind, which is really apparently really stupid.
Sounds but it's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, talking to wind is stupid, Nancy. I know, but it really helps sometimes.
I know it does. It's completely fine. Like I wouldn't think I wouldn't call a person dumb or stupid or crazy or a maniac to whatever they do to cope their stress or whatever. I wouldn't think anything is dumb. As if you consider it as a coping mechanism, then bro, you're doing the right thing.
And another thing, if you think that this is dumb what I'm saying, psychology proves talking to yourself makes you smarter. I know how much of psychology person you are or how much you believe in psychology, or whether psychology is even true, but just to get you more into the doing of this.
That makes me a genius.
Huh?
That makes me a genius.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I still don't think that because I'm not that smart enough in my eyes. So it's just like for your brain and all, it's good they say, but I don't know how much of it is. It makes me slaughter a lot, but still, it's fine. So talk to yourself, it's good for everything. Your brain, your heart, your peace. And from now on, don't say stress is normal, say peace is normal. Because if you say peace is normal, you feel more peaceful. Don't think on the bad side. If you have lots of homework, lots and tons of work to do how much ever you can. Leave the rest for the next, but don't sitting simply saying that okay, fine, I have work, I'll do it, I'll postpone it tomorrow. No, sit and do it out. Confront all your stress.
Yeah, do like half of it and then the next. Okay, so that reminds me, I have a test on Thursday and I have prepared half for it, so I'm good. I just have a little bit left.
I didn't prepare anything because I have loads and tons of other works to do. I have to complete many notes. We both are in the same school and the same class, so have the same test. It's on social, and I didn't prepare anything for that. I did not listen to class so much. I've been wandering off, but I have listened. I know what the topic is based on, but I still didn't listen most of it.
Yeah, somehow Bhargavi will ace it because she's a genius.
I'm not a genius. I learn at the last minute, which really, really helps you. I know why that doesn't help most of the people. That helps me. It just stuffs everything, makes you remember everything in one go. I don't have to do anything. I just have to sit, read with concentration, then pray to God. Remaining else, He will look after that. I'll do whatever I can. If I do, fine. I got this much. I'm happy with that mark. Let's go with this. That's it.
Great. So Aryan wants to say something, and then I'll say something, and we'll have to finish the episode. Anyways, continue.
Even quality statue.
Quality statue? I mean,
eagle,
Quality of.
Oh, I think he's trying to refer to a quality statue, and he gave examples like eagle and falcon. I think he means by very deep and meaningful, like statues with deep meanings, motivating meanings.
That's
Pretty much is saturated at this point.
Yeah.
I don't know. Anyways.
I also don't accurately, but eagles, they are a sign of quality. Eagles and falcons.
I don't
know. He knows more than you, Taxi. He is actually smarter than you.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
And so the word quality's opposite is quantity. Where there's quality, there's no quantity. Lesser the quantity, the more the quality. The more the quantity, the lesser the quality.
Okay.
If you haven't noticed it.
Which is amazing. Nice.
Yeah.
Now, I would like to conclude the episode. I mean, we would like to conclude on behalf of all three of us. I'm saying
Janani, don't forget her.
Yeah, obviously, Janani. How can I forget her? So all I was trying to say is just summarizing the episode.
Yeah.
So apparently we have like the first word we got was mask, and we talked about two types of mask. One which protects us, we didn't have really much to say because come on, everyone knows about it. And a deeper and a more meaningful meaning of mask, which apparently it was quite elaborated, and I think all of us nailed it. And the second one was the word quality, and we have
Me too.
I don't know, we have
spoke
extended it
quality very randomly. We did not say anything specific. Quality has its own meaning in different
in
spheres.
different ways. Every word has its own meaning in different ways.
And lot of examples in quality.
Yeah, a lot of examples in quality given by Mr. Aryan Dhungana, or as they call Master Aryan. Oh, anyways, moving on. So that was all about the two words, mask and quality, which apparently makes me think of a quality mask that will help you keep safe.
Keep safe.
Whatever. Anyways, so we'll have to conclude this episode, guys. Anyways, Aryan. Okay, so we'll ask Aryan to say bye first. Say bye, Aryan.
Bye, guys.
So we said bye, guys. And anyways, guys, if you have any complaints, suggestions, DM us on Instagram
Or if you want to even talk up with us randomly, want to ask us anything randomly, you
oh
can
my
do
god,
that.
no. Shit, my phone. Oh, it's not dead, guys. Anyways,
And even
Okay, and
subscribe and put the like and
yeah, like hit the like button.
bell.
Anything you wanna do if you're here to continue. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. It was kind of sophisticated, to be honest, and it was.
there's a lot of values packed.
I know, like.
Can't fit in the bag.
Yeah, it was a little bit off talking about it, but I don't think generating a word
Examples and stuff.
was a good idea. I mean, it was fun at some point. We just got so many things, so much,
And
but
learn-
it's okay.
And learned about stuff that you have never learned about.
Sure, guys. Right. So, anyways, we are the Rollcasters signing off. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Another thing. Don't forget to smile, stay happy and peaceful, and help.
Yeah,
This is
and have a
Malvi
great
signing
day.
off.
Have a
Bye.
great week. We'll be back next week with a brand new motivation, with a brand new video. So, hope you guys.
And brand new stupidness.
Sure, everybody. So hope you guys enjoyed and just enjoy the rest of your day. Just be happy. There's always someone to make you happy, and we can be the ones.
Be happy.
Bye.
If
Just
you
think smart.
channel, keep making YouTube videos and stay
Sure.
up and rise up.
Wow. That's great. Anyways, it's time to go. Anyways, bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye. Help.
Bye.